Over to our sawmill. Do some repairs now. Fixing our corners. Always just bringing over a few logs. Got a fry up on the go. Loose meat, onion, homemade bread.
Smells good too.
Oh, dude, ever smell good.
The onions.
I got a pack of sausages there too.
Yeah, we're gonna try to cut them up, throw them in.
Really doing a bit of work here, but I think that's the main reason we came over, for that right there. Do the corners for the putting Tyvek on the corners. We got some siding that we're going to go from the bottom, about probably 3 feet, 4 feet.
Yes, okay.
Putting the door in right there, and we're putting the door in right there. Got some glass there we're going to put in above the 4-foot mark, whatever. So you guys line the way.
Man, it is good bread.
Buy mixed bread and bread back.
I thought Georgina did.
Oh,
She did when Bam runs out. She do when Bam runs out.
When Georgina's babysitting, I told Mother that Georgina's bread was better. I broke her heart.
You know, Sonny, the last sandwich I had,
Yeah, but your mom.
last sandwich I had last year at the board, the bread I had in my sandwich was best ever I ever tasted. The one Sawmill.
Now, there you go. Where you shooting your moose to?
On my road. Mitchell City Road.
oh,
Mitchell Bay First Moose on Mitchell City Road.
East City Road.
it's a city road.
It goes in the first turn off to your right, about 3 kilometers in on that one. And that big one I seen, Keegan was in a dozen times afterwards trying to look on, he couldn't find him.
Lose nails, every time I bend over, I lose nails. Looks like we got a smudge fire on the go. Keep the nippers away. Then again, there's no nippers here. Raleigh, there's a handsaw over there, look.
I don't believe that. It's getting crazy now. It's getting crazy now.
We got a door up that end of her. We got a door in the side. And we got one here. We got to fix that corner. We got 2 doors from the patio. We'll probably put one there. One up there. Come along, guys.
Sounds like it. Take a picture of it. I like the number out there, Bill. The other day you get this.
Right there.
Hey. Yeah, but that number is over here. Look, that bill is
Got our doors in.
202-3.
Got one of our, got the glass from the patio door. We got another one. gonna brighten her up a lot. Well guys, just thought I'd show you this. Had a great day at the mill again.
One more link in that bill?
Should get lots of airflow here. We can open that in. That door and that one.